it's so nice to see him so secured and happy and content. He really shows it, Sora.
Parang, can you briefly describe lang yung character mo? Parang may mga nanginginig ka. Ano yung caused by ng trauma or what?
Yeah, actually makikita niyo sa movie, hindi kasi nila sinama sa trailer yung ano yung exactly nagiging effect ng bad na feeling pag may hinahawakan si Linlin. Hindi nila masyadong pinakita yung magiging effect sa kanya physically and then even internally. So, but yeah, that was one of the clips. But I think yung meaning na yon may factor din ng, oh my gosh, I'm getting this bad feeling from somebody that I've already, that Linlin has already fallen in love with. So, may takot, may kaba, may pain, may, diba? Siyempre kasi mahal niya si Woody eh. So, kaya siguro ganun lumabas yung inig.
Recently na married na siya, sabi mo nag-catch up kayo. O ano yung mga napag-usapan niyo? Ano sabi niya sa'yo? Kung tinanong mo na, how's married life? Ganyan.
Ano ba sabi niya? Anong share niya? Kasi
sabi ko, nagtanong ba siya sa'yo? Kamusta? Okay ba magpakasal? Humingi ba ng advice sa'yo si Julia?
Hindi naman advice. The last time that I saw Kaloy was for a shooting because he's been super busy also. So wala naman, kinamusta ko siya. Kinamusta ko lang kung masaya siya. Mukha naman sobrang saya ni Kaloy. Yan lang naman. Hindi pa kami umabot sa advice. Today lang kami talaga nagkita. But it's so nice to see him so secured and happy and content. He really shows it, Sora. Masaya ako para sa kanya.
Ikaw din naman, kita-kita na masaya.
Oh, thank you.
So, ikaw ba, naisip mo na rin yun na pwedeng soon or papunta na kayo doon?
I think the right time will come, and when that comes, diba? But, you know, right now we're really just enjoying every day, being present and supporting each other in all of our different projects, and yun naman yun. Wala akong masyado pa makwento sa'yo eh.